Let us talk about stretch marks first. What about stretch marks? Let us take a look at the density of stretch marks. Is the density rare or dense? Is the area large or small? There is also a question of time. If the area is dense and large, then we can select the shape first. Bigger, 20 times 20, that is the biggest. Then we can use this power. If the time is longer, and the degree of breakage of stretch marks is relatively deep, we choose a higher power. Can be used around 30到35. Then, the point spacing distance of the operation is about 1.0. Work during this dwell time. So what if we type it out at this time? The force that penetrates the paper is relatively strong, probably in I can't seem to see it right. I'll make 2 more. Improve this a little bit. Then use this energy to operate a strength that can penetrate about 3 sheets of paper, and then proceed. Then this one is more serious. Then we do it multiple times. Then do it again to improve breakage of stretch marks. If it is shallow, then we can choose. The power is appropriately lower. For example, about 15万S to 20万S, I choose a power at random. Then we can see, this power can be clearly felt. Less energy than just now. The penetration of about 2 sheets of paper did not penetrate the third sheet, so this can be relatively shallow. It's just that the breakage wasn't that serious, so this is how stretch marks work. If there is another kind of stretch mark, he doesn't have many. It's thin but it's thick. Then we can use this shape to adjust the size he needs. Operate in a targeted manner. For example, we are now a rectangle. Then we can adjust to the one we need. Way to operate. This is too small, let's make it bigger. Like this. Then when we carry out targeted operations, we need to adjust something. Is its density. Let's test its density. 0.7, 0.8 is relatively wide. We can use 0.7 or 0.6, then proceed to operate. This time it is a targeted. A density of 0.6 can be used for operation. When your power remains unchanged, then your penetration is the same.